What? How could he be looking forward to it?
No problem at all. Looking forward to it.
Tonight's game. Looking forward to watching it when I get back.
I was looking forward to kind of taking a break for a little bit.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
I bet you're looking forward to getting back to Los Angeles when this is all over. Back to robbery, homicide, or maybe not.
And I gotta tell you, I'm really looking forward to seeing you sweethearts showcase your talent on stage tonight.
I understand. I know, but the soccer game ran late, and it's girls' night out tonight. First time in months, and I'm so looking forward to this. Please.
Yeah, and I also have a very nice single person's life that I'm really looking forward to getting back to.
Well, we are looking forward to having a new Hopkins join our ranks, I'm sure.
Looking forward to walking up to you 4 days ago and blowing your mind, though.
Well, if that happens, maybe you can tell me what it's like to meet your younger self.
Looking forward to having you as a neighbor, Mr. Wildhorn.
I'm looking forward to it, Headmaster.
I'm looking forward to hearing your plan. Perhaps before the election is over.
But I'm seriously looking forward to 15.
Well, we're all looking forward to finding out what happens next, aren't we?
Oh, I'm so looking forward to it.
Well, looking forward to getting to know you all over the next couple of days.
You know, we are so looking forward to that concert.
I'm looking forward to being bored to death.
I think you've got some great facilities. I'm really looking forward to making the best of it here at Grover Cleveland.
All right. See you at 8, looking forward to it.
Jim was so looking forward to meeting you.
I've been looking forward to seeing everyone again.
We'll be looking forward to hearing from you.
She's been looking forward to this.
No kidding.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in action, Jack says.
Looking forward to your visit, sir.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to seeing that Bob Hope movie.
I'm looking forward to it. It's kind of funny.
You know, I'm looking forward to meeting your mom.
How about you, Mark? Are you, looking forward to being a dad?